Is there really a benefit to baking soda? Baking soda is one of those mysterious household items that everyone seems to keep in the pantry or fridge, yet few people really understand the benefits it provides. It has been used for generations worldwide in a variety of ways, ranging from cooking to cleaning, so it would seem that it must have some sort of benefit. But is there really any true scientific, chemical, or physical benefit to using baking soda? In this video, these questions and more will be explored and answered. While baking soda certainly has its uses, it is often overlooked for its potential health benefits. Studies have found that as a natural form of sodium bicarbonate, baking soda has a variety of different effects on the human body. While its use as an insect repellent has been known since the Egyptians, modern research suggests it may also have uses in decreasing acid reflux, reducing inflammation, and helping with skin conditions such as acne. However, it should be noted that more research is needed to properly understand the full range of its benefits. Despite this, baking soda has been a staple in households across the globe for generations and is truly an example of a simple substance, providing extraordinary benefits. It is clear that baking soda is a worthwhile item to have on hand, and its time-tested uses make it undeniably a useful resource. One of the most common uses of baking soda is its use as an antacid. The alkalinity of baking soda helps neutralize stomach acids and relieve their uncomfortable effects. There are many home remedies and recipes that use baking soda as an antacid. Baking soda is also used in a variety of cooking processes, ranging from baking cakes to adding flavor to many savory dishes. In addition, doctors suggest that consuming too much baking soda can be dangerous, so it is always important to check with your doctor. As with many things, moderation and balance are key.